Hello everyone, this is Anshul Pal, the operational manager at Renascence Global, and आज मैं आपके सामने एक नया portal which was launched by Renascence Global. I'll present that portal, which has and which will be an elixir for all the students who are preparing for their IELTS, PT, and Duolingo English test, which is DET. So I'll just explain to you, and I'll give you a brief in this video. So please check it out. I'm sharing my screen right now. So hopefully now you guys can see my screen. This is our portal. This is the first look at our original portal. And in this portal, we have a dashboard where, one second, where a student can do its section wise tests. So give me a second. So this is just to give you an idea for the student that there is 4 modules, which is speaking, writing, reading and listening with regards to IELTS, जिसके अंदर student अपनी speaking के भी test दे सकता है यहाँ पे, अपनी writing के test दे सकता है यहाँ पे, and so on for reading and listening as well. And all these tests are assessed by either algorithm or a personal trainer. So the band scores are the most authentic on this portal as well. Apart from the section wise tests, this portal also offers mock tests. So अगर किसी student को full fledged listening, reading, writing, or I should say writing, listening, reading, which is the current IDP pattern, में exam देना हो, to be comfortable with the computer based CBT pattern, because all these tests are made and the operating system of all these tests is just as the IDP's IELTS. So it helps you to acclimate yourself. मैं आपको एक demonstration के लिए दिखाऊंगा. This is a test. So as you can see at the screen, that the screen.
You will hear a conversation between a welfare tutor of Student Union and 2 overseas students, Claudia and Bastita. They are talking about their life and study in Leeds University. First, you have a...
So we have the same portal services here, and it's almost the same for with regards to IDP's pattern of CPT examination. Give me a second. So let's escape this. Hello. Give me a second, guys. Okay, so back to our session. So in the mock test, a student can do his or her listening or reading, writing with a full-fledged test score, which is great. In the speaking parameters, one has to use their headphones at the home so that they can speak and answer the following questions. And the speaking test will be full-fledged for 15 minutes, and it will have all the 3 sections, including repo building, long turn, and follow-up round. So you don't need to worry about that. आपका पूरा speaking session included रहेगा speaking module में, as well as in the writing, where writing task 1 and task 2, both of the tasks will be assessed in one test, and same goes for reading and listening. So it's a full-fledged, comprehensively designed test with authentic IDP materials, so that you can get the authentic score while you can also practice the CBT pattern. As you guys know that on PBT you can get your score twice as fast with regards to PBT pattern, paper based test. So if you are needing that, and if you have a fast typing speed, I recommend you to go for CBT, and this portal really helps you a lot in getting that. I'll also show you the writing operating system now. So this is the writing OS, which we have exactly the part 2 of our speaking, the writing test and the part 1. This is the timer, as you can see, has already started. So we can start writing or typing on that, and it's very easy and convenient, and it's the authentic form of how uh, the test at IDP computer based takes place. Okay. Okay. So same goes for listening and reading. The OS is same, and now we have a lot of tests to offer to you guys. So I ask you to enroll at Renaissance Global so that we can get and you can get all these facilities as soon as possible. Apart from that, we have our knowledge zone here as well. So if the student is very much new and naive about IELTS, they can get an understanding with our notes here. This is how the TRF form, test report form, looks. And yeah, other things as well. So all the things are included: score comparison, for format and scoring patterns of listening, reading, writing, and speaking. All these things are included. Apart from all these things, we also offer PTE and DET services on our portal. So if anyone is looking to do and go for PTE or Duolingo English test, they can enroll with us and have that session as well. Bear in mind, this portal is can be only used by our students and the students who have been registered by Renaissance Global. So if you're looking for getting this portal and using this portal, I ask you guys to register. As you can see, I've clicked at the material section. So all these study materials are free, and if the student is registered, they can use these materials and study all these materials which are sent by us. We are also about to include some videos regarding how to uh, be more good with the fluency, and all these video lectures will be sooner available. So yeah, which will be there with the students, and along with that there are many more benefits to come, but for now this is it. And this is our dashboard. This is a student's dashboard where a student can check his or her progress. All right, so that's it from my end. I have given you a guide to how to use this portal. It's very easy and it's the most authentic portal for a student who wants to do their PT, IELTS, and Duolingo English test. So thank you very much and greetings to you. Have a nice day.